What if you could clone a voice once and use it across multiple TTS providers, all through a single API? LiveKit now supports voice cloning directly from the dashboard and use it everywhere. Let me show you how it works. Now, users notice when they're talking to a bot. One of the biggest factors is the voice. More realistic, natural sounding voices lead to higher engagement and longer conversations. With LiveKit voice cloning, you record or upload about 10 seconds of audio, and we near instantly clone that voice on every TTS provider that supports voice cloning behind LiveKit inference. And so this means that you get a single voice ID that works across those providers. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, if one provider goes down, your agent can fall back to the same cloned voice on another provider. Same voice, no interruption. So let's see how this works. From the LiveKit dashboard under Voices, we can create a voice clone. Again, we can record audio or upload a file. I'll record audio. We have a sample script that you can read, or you can use your own script that makes sense for your use case. So we'll just make sure that we have the correct input selected and then start recording. Hi there, I'm making a recording that will be used to clone my voice on TTS model providers, and I'm excited to hear how it turns out. Right now we can trim the beginning and the end, and let's name the voice, and we'll select our language. We can optionally remove background noise if needed, and then upload and clone voice. Now here we do need to agree to the terms and conditions. You're allowing us to clone your voice on multiple TTS providers. So I provide consent and continue. Now in just a couple of seconds, this will be complete and we can listen to what it sounds like. There we go. So let's go ahead and listen to it. Hello, this is a preview of my voice. I can help you build engaging and natural sounding conversations for your applications. Very nice. Okay. So now we have the option to use it in Agent Builder, or we can just copy the ID and use it directly in our agent code. LiveKit Inference handles the routing to the right provider. And because your voice is cloned on multiple providers, we have a TTS fallback already configured for you so that if one provider goes down, it switches to that same cloned voice on the fallback provider automatically. So let's go ahead and check it out in Agent Builder. So we'll create a new Agent Builder agent. And then under Models and Voices, we can see our custom voice, and we can select from the various different models that we can choose from between Cartesia and InWorld currently. And without doing anything else, we can go ahead and have a conversation with ourselves, I guess. That's weird. Hi there, I'm here to help. What can I do for you today? Yeah, can you tell me a short story? Of course, here's a short one. On the edge of a quiet village stood a lighthouse that had not shone in years. People said the sea had grown calm and no longer needed it. But a young girl named Mira liked to climb its spiral stairs anyway. Right, that's enough. Just pretty good. I like it. So if we go over to Voices, we can see our cloned voice, and we can preview our voice on different models from here. So we can actually change this if we want, the sample script, and then click play and hear what it sounds like. Hello, this is a preview of my voice. I can help you build engaging and natural sounding conversations for your applications. Nice. And we can see the InWorld example.
Hello, this is a preview of my voice. I can help you build engaging and natural sounding conversations for your applications.
If we need to reclone, we can do that right here. Voice cloning is available now on paid LiveKit Cloud plans with more models coming soon. Clone once, use everywhere, and get built-in resilience for production. Give it a try and let us know what you're building. Links to the docs and the dashboard are in the video description. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more voice AI content like this.